Keyless entry smart door lock electronic keypad deadbolt lock with keypads and key front door lock set auto lock anti-peeping password weatherproofing matte black. Using our battery operated keypad lock, no longer need to remember to take the key, and even you can enter the password in the dark because of the highly responsive and illuminated keypad. For flexibility, it also can use keys, so 2 metallic keys are included as well. A total of 20 user codes with 4 to 10 digits can be programmed, as convenient for your friends and family. This keypad lock also can program one temporary one-time user code for dog walker, home cleaner and babysitter. Reduce the hassle and cost of changing locks and exchanging keys. Masoant keypad door lock will never let you down. It is waterproof and can be used indoors and outdoors. Also, it has so many functions as anti-peeping user password protection, silent mode, wrong entry limit and low battery indicator. It is made with sturdy lock cylinder and high-quality metal structure, so it is the best solution for the front or back door of a private house, apartment or office. Like, share and subscribe for support this channel. Get exclusive price and discount, click link in description.